so I have my eyebrows done and I concealed my eyebrows. What is this? What is this? Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna start with primer. I use the Believe in Beauty Pretty In Primer. Just gonna apply that to my face. All over. I'm just rubbing it all over my face and on my neck. Since this is a soft glam look, I'm just going to be doing like neutral colors for the eyeshadow. The Tarteist Pro Tarte palette. It's kind of dirty. So in that palette, I'll be using the shade Drama and Maud. It's very pretty, very pretty. Okay, so I'm putting Tarte Maud in my crease. Just working that in there using circular motions. Nothing too dark because it's just soft glam. And then I'm using the color Drama and putting that in the same spot. To add just a little bit of shimmer to it, I'm gonna take Glam from that same palette and put that right on my lids. Now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I use the, I want to say it's like Siete. Hope I'm saying that right, but it's Starstruck and it's limited edition. It has eyeliner on this end and a stamp on this end. So I'm going to apply that. Apply my lash glue. It's the Kiss Strip lash adhesive. As that's drying, I'm going to apply my mascara, and I use the Lily Lashes mascara. See that? I'm gonna let the eyelash glue sit for a couple seconds. Shit, I dropped it. So I'm gonna place that right in the center, and then work my way around it. Quit biting my toes. Say hi. Say hi. You conceal and cover up my dark spots. I use the Maybelline New York multi-use concealer. I don't know what shade it is, but it's very, very pale. Let that set for just a second. That was a little weird. With a small blending brush, I'm going to pat those out. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take my foundation. It's the LA Colors Truly Matte in the shade Soft Beige. I'm going to put that on my face. And then I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Just a little bit. I'm going to take a one of these brushes, take a little bit and go around my eyebrows so that the brush doesn't mess it up. Now I'm taking my foundation brush and just working that in. Okay, this brush sucks. The hairs come out. Now with a small blending brush, the one that I used from earlier, I'm gonna get right here. I'm gonna take my microfiber sponge and I'm gonna go around and pat my face to set in that foundation just a little bit more. I'm just pressing it in. That I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna take my concealer from a little bit ago, Maybelline New York, You know what it is. I'm gonna put that right underneath my eyes. And then on my chin, my forehead, and my nose. While that's sitting there for a minute, I'm gonna start my contour. I use the e.l.f. cream contour palette, and then dab it onto my cheeks. I'm just pressing. I'm not swiping, just pressing. Okay, now I'm going to blend out my concealer, just pressing that in. Now I'm gonna go back in with my sponge and just press that in, and it's gonna pick up any excess that I have. Okay, that part is finished. Now I'm going to take my liquid blush. It's the Milani Cheek Kiss, and it's in the shade Rose Romance. I'm going to add a couple dots to my cheeks. A little goes a long way. So now I'm going to take my brush and blend that out. Bam. Okay, and now I'm taking my sponge with my loose setting powder. It's the Airspot, it looks like. Now I'm just pressing that in underneath my eyes. Then I'm gonna get my chin, my nose, and the center of my forehead. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and just swiping that off. And dragging it down to get the rest of my face set in. Now I'm gonna take this Pacifica palette and I'm gonna take the contour and the blush out of it. Not literally take it out, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna put the contour right here. Blush. It's kind of like a darker shade of blush. I'm going to take my Ofra. It's a little dirty, sorry. I'm gonna take this palette and shades right in the middle. I think it's all of the lights. I'm gonna take this color right here for my, now right on my upper cheekbones. Look at that shine. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. And then my nose. I'm taking this stubby brush. It's a Moda brush. I don't know. I'm gonna take that same shade and do the inner corner of my eyes. Just like that. Now I'm gonna do my mascara for the lower lashes. You can add eyeliner to this look, but I'm not going to. Now I'm taking the Michaela X Glam Light, this clear shimmery one. Why doesn't it focus? Then apply that to my lips. Now that this look is finished, I'm going to take my Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray and fully set my face. Just let that dry. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to get notified when I post more videos. Here's the finished look.